This video is going to show you how to set up data at backend system. We press the MODE button at the backside of the door. Then we go to this page. You can see here this is the serial number of each machine. For the machine configuration, you need to press 352, 356. Enter into the page. And you can change password and language here. Also, we set the canister's content at this page. There's two ways to clean the machine itself. You can set up after how many caps it will clean itself, and also you can set up clean itself at the witch clock. You can see here the machine already produced how many cups coffees. Then when it reaches to the numbers you're setting, it will clean itself. And you also can choose when the machine cleans itself at which clock. Next is the canister's content setting. The canister's 1 to 5 is matched with the canisters in the machine from the left to the right. And you can tap the content of the canisters. If you want to choose one canister as sugar, you need to tap sugar first. Then here you need to choose box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to match the sugars. Here we choose box 2. Okay? After setting, we just choose save and back. For other machine configurations, actually we already set up for you advance. But of course, you can know more about the settings. For the payment way, for example, we tap password and into. So you can choose free mode or payment mode. You can choose the payment way. Next is the coffee test page. At the top side is the name of the drinks. You can choose one of them to test the producing process. At the bottom side, you can test each spare parts of the machines. When you choose one, you can see at the right side, here are some information of the machines. When the problem is fixed, normally we will click restart to start the machines again. Then in the information page, we check the machine if go to the normal. Okay, next one is the recipe setting. You can see here has a gray button. We add a new drink here and tap the names of the drinks. If you want to delete some drinks, you just delete with the right button. So at the left side, you can choose what drinks you need and choose the pictures as well. And you also can edit the names of the drink. Tap the price of the drink. To the right side, you can change the capacity of the ice. For this button is you change the orders of the drinks, move the drinks to the top. Okay, next we're going to the recipe setting page with the arrow here, and you can choose the orders of making drinks. For the option here, you can choose how many steps to make the drinks. Here you can choose what beans and which powders you need to make the drinks. Next is the water value and the powder jumping time. The details can take our recipe as reference. After you setting the orders, you just save and back. If you want to use the how many cups left function in the page, you need to click in. When the producing caps reach to 0, then the machine will stop producing. Here you can check the version of the machine. If our software updating, you can updating there as well. This one will show error information there. For the sales data, the latest 3 months sales data will record there. If you want to go with longer sales data, you can check at the website backend system. For the MDB testing, normally it's good. No need change. For this import and export page, you can import advanced testament videos and voice and pictures here. You need to put the files into the USB first and go with the instructions here. And insert the USB to the USB port of the machine. When you're setting everything, you just back to the sales page.